we are going to demonstrate how to create an electronic gradebook in the Desire to Learn learning management system. So first we're going to go to grades here in the navigation bar, and we'll click that. And although there's an option for a wizard, we're not going to use that at this time. We're going to go over to the right to the little gear wheel marked settings. And now we're in the personal display options. So first we want to scroll down and make sure the grade details that all three of these are checked: points grade, grade scheme symbol, grade scheme color. I'm going to scroll down, and to this option, start page, there are a few options here, but we want to manage grades. And then we're going to hit save. Get our confirmation, saved successfully. Now we're going to go to the next tab, org unit display options. Again, we want to make sure these three options are selected for the student view display options: points grade, scheme color, and grade scheme symbol. Again, we'll save. Wait for that to load. There we go. We have our confirmation. And lastly, we're going to go to the third tab, calculation options. We want to select points. And under final grade released, we want calculated. Under grade calculations, there we want to select the drop ungraded items. The other option is to treat ungraded items as 0, but we're going to just drop ungraded items. We also want to make sure there's a check mark here for the auto update, automatically keep final grades updated. We've got that, so let's save. Now let's see, get a dialog. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. We want to save and continue. I have our confirmation, saved successfully. So now we're going to go and we're going to create the structure for our gradebook. I'm going to go back to grades, and we're going to come over to manage grades in this sub menu here. I'm going to go to new and select category. Our category is going to be like a folder, so we're going to give this a name. We'll call this week 1. We're not going to check any of those options at this time, and save and close. And can confirm here our week 1 category has been created. Now we're going to create a new item. Select, we want it to be numeric. And now we're going to give our item a name. We're going to call this week 1 discussion grade, and we're going to make this lowercase to differentiate it from our category, which we did in all caps. And speaking of category, here we're going to select the category that the item will go under, which is week 1. There's also an option to make a new category. We're going to change our maximum points of grading from 10 to 5. Save and close. And we get our confirmation created successfully. We can see our category week 1 and the item under the category week 1 discussion grade. So that's our structure, and we have set up our electronic gradebook in the Desire to Learn.